Hi everybody, Richard Roy 2 here. This is a video response to Jack Look 4 video, Nature Conservancy in Bed with BP. Thank you, Jack Look 4. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. Please correct me if I'm mistaken. And thanks Divinity for pointing this one out to me. Appreciate it. The sort of thing that's going on down there is getting worse. It's like she says, the rabbit hole is getting deeper and deeper. I've often wondered recently, listening to all the disasters go on and the millions and millions and millions of dollars, the astronomical amounts are getting funneled through disaster relief funds. They're incredible. And a lot of these different so-called non-profits have different administration fee rates, and some of them are quite large. They have a vested interest in disaster. It scares the shit out of me to have some sort of system set up that way. It's like the industrial military complex, as if they're not going to have some sort of vested interest in promoting war. Well, these bullshit things like the war on drugs and all that kind of crap. We have compound upon compound upon compound upon compound upon compound upon compound. It's getting so bloody tall, this mess. You can fly into this building and it will fall down. And because of the economy, the way it's going down like this, the economy has been going down. A lot of the stuff that was hidden beneath the surface is starting to come to the surface. Like scandals like this. Why the government haven't said, or why anybody hasn't said, enough. We're not going to let this go on. We're going to go in. We're going to do something about it. Something. I mean, as soon as I heard about this, I thought, okay, somebody's going to stop this. It'll be fine. Nobody's done anything. Okay, they've done some things. They've done them badly. They've done them foolishly. They've done them incompetently. And they didn't do the things they should have done before this whole thing started. Like inserting some sort of a shut-off valve that functions. Like one of the ones they have like at the gas pumps where you pull away and it breaks off. Drop in pressure causes the valve to automatically shut it off. Those sort of things set up in all kinds of systems. Why not there? Especially there. I mean, look at the kind of catastrophe that can happen, and did happen, and is happening. Can't believe it's been a whole bloody month, and it's still gushing. Somebody, please, get off your ass and do something. That includes us too. Cut back on the use of fuels. Cut back on your spending. Get the little economy cars. Never mind about affordability, there's something skewed about the whole economic system that allows it to go this way. It's waste. If you got more horsepower than you need, it's waste. And it's feeding these assholes. Stop feeding these assholes. Unplug, shut down, ride a bike, pedal your way, whatever. Do something, please. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.